The first step is to unpack the box. Take out the sponge pad fixed on it. Then lift the motorcycle out. Take out the accessories in the box. Cut the cable ties. Take off the front wheel and put it next to it. Keep cutting the cable ties. Take out the front clay slab. Remove the rear disc brake U-tube first. Save the screws. Then remove the screw by hand. Screw in. Screw on the nut. Then tighten both sides with a wrench. 13. 17小时 air. Then take U-tube back. We put these accessories, 1 light and 2 presses and 4 screws. And the hexagon tools are ready. And then, next, we need to remove these 2 screws first. It's for lights. Then pick up the lamp. Screw in. Use a hex wrench. Screw it up. Our lamp can be adjusted in height or low degree. You can turn back and forth like this. Next, install the direction. Remove the chest protector first. Screw on the 2 bracket screws. And then tighten it up with the hexagon tool. The 4 screws should be tightened evenly. Then put this chest pad on. And then we get this handle. This position goes in from here. Adjust it again. Then tighten it with the hexagon tool. After it is installed, you have to try if it will turn here. If it doesn't work, it means there is a problem here. The cable for the headlight should be inserted, otherwise, the headlight won't be on. We are going to remove this front axle first. Then install the front wheel. Be sure to note that this long spacer is in. When the shaft is worn, it must be worn in first, on your brake disc side. Go through it and then go through this short shaft. Then put this nut. Screw it up. Partial assembly of the good front wheels is complete. The next step is to install this brake. Be sure to pay attention. Unscrew this brake screw first. Here's a plastic thing. Remove it. Note that it needs to be stuck in when installing it here. And then, screw it on with 2 more screws. Then take the hex wrench and tighten it. Here are 3 screws for the front clay slab. We need to take it apart. After removing, put the front clay slab in this position. After putting it away, use this hex wrench again. Go and tighten it again. Then remove this screw. This number plate is going to be stuck on this U-tube. Yeah, there are 2 more holes down there that go in, and then align this pair of holes again. Put it back on with screws. In this way, tighten the screws for this number plate. And then the next step is to install this pedal. The foot pedal needs to remove these two screws. And here's a bracket. The direction of the bracket must be careful not to install it upside down. We have left and right sides for this pedal. Be careful not to take it upside down. Okay, then the spring card goes on. Pay attention to the angle of the spring card, which is stuck like this. And there's a latch. After the latch is inserted, and see if it bounces back. And then there's a cutter pin. Card up. After the card is stuck, just break it apart. This is the other side. The assembly method is the same, and the spring is also stuck in. Don't get it wrong. After it is stuck in, insert it with a latch. After plugging it in, plug it in with an opening pin. Install this seat cushion screw. Just tighten it. Next, we take this key. When you get this key, plug it in. Power on. After turning on the power, then this position is the gear. First gear. Second gear. 3 gears can be converted. Then this way. This is a headlight, and the headlight has 3 lights. You can press sometimes back and forth. The following R is a reverse gear. It turns out that our car has been assembled.